This is the new Redmi Note 9 Pro unboxing and quick review. But before that guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews.
Double cup, big compare, holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed.
This phone has 6.67-inch IPS LCD Gorilla Glass 5 front and back with plastic frame, 84.5 screen-to-body ratio, Full HD Plus resolution which is 1080 by 2400 pixels, and 395 ppi density. It has fingerprint scanner together with a power button, USB Type-C fast charger of 27 watts, and with headphone jack. It supports dual SIM card with dedicated slot for memory card that you can expand up to 512 GB storage. In terms of specification, this phone used the Snapdragon 720G 8nm chipset with a clock speed of octa-core 2.3 GHz, Android 10 out of the box with MIUI 11 and Adreno 618 with dedicated GPU turbo for better gaming performance and less power consumption. And here is my sample game test of PUBG Mobile.
Cover me! First point for the red team! Nice! Reloading! No mercy! Expired! Cover me! Target down!
Gaming performance of this phone is okay, no lags or latency, and if you are looking for budget gaming phone, this has massive 5000 mAh battery that can handle long usage of gaming. If you are talking about the camera, this phone has 64 megapixel f1.9 aperture main lens that can record 4K video 30 frames per second, 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, 5 megapixel macro lens, and 2 megapixel depth sensor for better portrait photos, and 16 megapixel front camera with f2.5 aperture and support high dynamic range for better selfie photos and eliminate shadows in your selfie background. Check it out these sample photos. So guys, that is my unboxing and quick review of this new Redmi Note 9 Pro. What is your opinion guys? Just comment down below. And if you are new to my channel and you wanna see more tech reviews like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.